Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Canva for YouTube thumbnails. Quick tip, step by step clearly. Open Canva and log into your account. On the home page, type YouTube thumbnail in the search bar. Select the YouTube thumbnail template option from the drop-down. Browse through the available templates and choose one that fits your style. Click on the template to open it in the Canva editor. Customize the background color or image to match your theme. Add your video title by clicking on the text box. Adjust the font, size, and color to ensure it's bold and eye-catching. Incorporate images or icons relevant to your video by using the Elements tab. Drag and drop your chosen images into the design. Resize and position images to maintain a balanced layout. Include your branding, such as a logo, by uploading it through the Uploads tab. Ensure all elements are aligned and spaced evenly. Once you're satisfied with your design, click on the Download button in the top right corner. Select your preferred file format, typically PNG or JPEG. Click Download to save the thumbnail to your device. Now, your eye-catching YouTube thumbnail is ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.